What's going on, knuckleheads? So in today's video, we are going to be installing a set of mid-frame air deflectors from Benlari. They reached out to me over email, said they have several products and offered me my pick, and this is what I chose. I've never actually had a set of these on a motorcycle. These are going to be, or should be, gloss black. It's the only color they offer. Maybe chrome. Now, they don't offer painted options, but as you can see, I don't need the painted option because I just happen to be vivid black right where it needs to be vivid black. These are just packaged in bubble wrap. Pull out the right one first. They are marked on the inside. You guys are seeing these for the first time just like me. It's got a little clip for the spark plug wire, it looks like. Put that back in the bubble wrap and the plastic. There's actually a plastic sheet inside there too. Plastic bag inside there, I should say. It doesn't look like these are painted at all. It looks like they are molded to a gloss finish. And they appear to be a polycarbonate, which is a good strong material. We'll leave that for the other side. We have hardware. And we have instructions. Looks pretty straightforward. So our first step is going to take our clip nut. Not really a nut. And that is going to slide in right in the biggest pain in the ass area possible. I'm betting we're gonna have to cut that zip tie. Maybe y'all can see a little bit better now. All right, step one to installing these is going to be pull the engine. There, we'll get that out of the way. Maybe we'll get that out of the way. There we go. Probably going to help you to have one of these picks. They're mainly used for cotter pins to help pull those out. That's what I use it for, at least. Now, where the hell does the next one go? Right there. if you'll notice, you've got two holes right down here, but one of them is actually hex shaped, just like this nutsert is. And we'll kind of cap that in. Now, we just got to mushroom that nutsert out. So we'll go ahead and thread the bolt in with the washer. And that appears to be 10 millimeter. And I personally have never figured out why everybody has a problem with 10 millimeter. My problem is the 8 millimeter and the 5/16. Well, son of a bitch. Y'all ain't gonna believe this shit, but the nutsert rounded off. All right. We just won't be able to put that very tight. That's my fault. I tightened it up too much to crush the crush nut, the blind nut, whatever the fuck you want to call the damn thing. So now we'll take our right hand mid-frame air deflector, 2 bolts, 2 washers, and we want to use the top hole and the very bottom. We're just going to start the bottom first. I think, I don't know, all the bolts are the same length. They could really go with a shorter bolt for the top, my opinion. All right, let's take the bottom bolt out and we'll try it first. I know that ain't gonna be the answer, but we gotta try something, right? The problem is there's very little clearance between the rocker cover and where we put our clip. And you gotta have that clip in the perfect spot, which apparently I don't. We're gonna try something. Take the washer off. Okay, now I know I can actually get the bolt started. I pretty well know where I have to be. The bottom you can actually get a ratchet on. And these don't need to be overly tight anyways. It's just a thin piece of plastic. For the top, we're going to need a 10mm wrench. Oh, and what I said about not losing a 10mm, take that back. I got a missing wrench. But luckily, I have like 4 of everything. So now it's probably just here on this lift, but I haven't cleaned this lift off for a little bit. Here we have it. Now we'll repeat the same steps for the other side. But y'all really don't need to see that because it's going to be the exact same steps. The only difference is the shape of the piece, the plastic piece. And actually there'd be one less step because you won't be taking the side cover and the saddlebag off so you can get to the damn blind nut and put a pair of vice grips on it. That's going to do it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I upload. I'll see you guys in the next one.